Alright, y'all, it's Techie and Christ. Got my meta glass on so I can get some other content. But so get my nerd on. But we're about to open up this new adventure. We're gonna go back to old school DIY batteries. So I'm gonna open this up so you can see. I chose to get the Sungold. Sungold was affordable and it had a reputable reputation. That's kind of redundant, right? It was pretty reputable, so that's the reason why I was going to go with Sungold. As you know, with the solar, I'm thinking about increasing the voltage, because from what I'm experiencing in the summertime, the voltage is too low. So if the voltage is so low, sometimes I don't get to optimize the solar power. So inside the box, we got, it looks like this, some parallel cables. Well, this communication to help with the parallel. Like I turned this thing upside down. There's this cushion. Yeah, wink, yeah. All right, this is the inverter here. Looks like a real simple unboxing, and that's the small one. The big one's supposed to be even bigger. It feels like that's pretty big. The big one feels even bigger. What's up with my redundancy today? All right, here's another part. Hope y'all can hear me over the music. I got my gospel going. This is a pack of lugs. It got some lug terminals, and then like it's just some screws for bolting and everything. I'm gonna use this to bolt it to the top. All right, and then communication cables, RJ45s. So that's it in the box. So let's put this box up and let's open it up and see what it do. Got this wood. I'm about to put my Sungold in there. So let's see how this goes. All right, here we go. I'm about to put it over here. Right through these holes here. They fit there first. It's good. So you see, hopefully it look right. I got it resting on top of this. Hopefully that's not an issue. Rest on top of those bolts, and then I got this on through the wood. Once again, it's a tight fit, but that's a good thing. Let's screw it a little bit and see if that can get it in. I don't want to scratch this thing until I know it's working. I might have to take it back. I actually hate taking stuff back. People love Amazon to be able to take stuff back, but I hate taking stuff back. I feel like I'm a bad decision maker when I gotta take stuff back. Although that's weird. Amazon probably like that mentality, so they gotta take so much stuff back. Alright. Now that I got that on there, put these bolts on the back. Alright, that should look good. Get that nice and tight. So I'm going on here to get this black thing here. Box sitting on top of here, that's giving us some room to breathe. So it should be all good. We'll take this bottom panel off. We're gonna start to get the cords hooked up. So it looks nice and sturdy. Got on this hand truck. The hand truck, I changed it so it's connected under here. So it's still got the same purpose, which is good. All right, so we're gonna do that, see how it works. All right, so I gotta get these screws. There's 4 of them. That way I can get inside. Get all the wiring in. It's actually 5, because 3 at the bottom and 1 on each side. Man, I lost this screw instantly last time. Actually, flip this switch on. One thing I like about this hand truck, I'm gonna be able to lay it down when I need to. Probably should lay it down right now, but we'll see. Alright, so now I'm about to put the AC in. So I'm gonna unscrew it. Stuff that thing all in there. My son was out, he's like, whoa, dude. Alright. Nice, tight. Okay. Now I'm gonna do the neutral. That was the brown. The white is neutral. Put that in there. Gotta love that 6 all quiet. I guess gotta get ready first. I'll get the other one. Just get them ready. Alright. That should be ready now. One thing about this thick wire, making sure you get in there good. So I'm about to tighten this one up. Alright. And then well, let me pause this on for a second. I'm gonna come back. Alright, then you gotta do the black one. Black conductor is a conductor, so you really want to make sure this one in good. See, I had it loose enough. That's that good. I'll make sure this get in good. So we in there, and then we're gonna tighten it up. Alright, so all of them nice and tight. Okay. Alright, so once you got those in, I'm about to power up this box so you can get that in. Alright. Now we're about to hit this outlet. I actually like sticking it back here. It's not gonna move that much, so it should be okay. I don't know. I know it's not the. I know there's other ways to do it, but it should be good. So once again, you actually see it here. See a hot wire. Then they said white wire to let you know. Black gold. Always remember black gold because in Africa, that's where all the gold at. The Golden Kingdom. Alright. Still see chimney. Okay, so now we're gonna put this inside the box. I left some extra wire just in case I wanna do some other stuff later. First you gotta tear these ears off so the top can fit on it, so the cover can fit on it. That's something I found out later. You gotta tear the ears off. So to do that, you just take some pliers. And it should just come right off. That's something they don't tell you. I guess this electricians, they kind of hold out on stuff. It's funny because I'm a teacher in social studies all over the place. Well, it's like the trades, man. A lot of stuff in trade secrets. It be something simple, but it seems like it's so hard. I didn't know that. I couldn't figure out why I couldn't close the covers in my house. But thank God for YouTube. YouTube teach you everything. All right. So on that note, I'm sure I'm missing another secret. Why is this so hard to get in? But we're gonna figure that out. All right. So I got this done. Got that wire run. I'm about to run another one right here. That's gonna be a extension cord. Put that right there. I gotta put AC in and PV in. So let's take care of those two things. I'm gonna do this PV in first. I'm gonna have this go alongside here like this, and then cut in here. So. Okay, like I said, I'm making these videos for amateurs. So, there's one thing, you know, these you just hit real hard on the corners and it pops out. Then you can just grab it with some pliers. And you grab the pliers, you pull it out. So, you push it in. And then once you got it, they make it so it come out automatically. So you had to add, I had to put a little shrink to it. But once I got it, I just wiggle it out. All right, so I got this power strip that's going in here, and it's connecting neutral, the hot, put it on the ground bar. Remember, I got to skip one because I'm only connected to this leg. This leg is empty because this 240. I only got 120, so I only got one leg hooked up. So now, place this on top of here like this. So that shit, the top didn't fit good. All right, there we go. All right, so now that's closed. So that's how those connect. All right, so I think that's it. So I got this is gonna be for like local connections. With this one, probably put like a USB thing and take that to right here. The battery still gotta go in there. My battery don't come to next week because it's coming from China, I guess. I don't know. I mean, not China. It's so heavy. It's not coming to Friday. This is the solar. This is AC in. This is gonna be AC out. And then we got this extra outlet here. The reason why I want to separate these, I'm gonna have this one going to like, if y'all keep up with me, my old Blue Eddy, I'm gonna have this go to like all the main spots. I just noticed I got this upside down. So this going to all the main spots, and then this is gonna be like extra, like if I need extra things plugged in, like locally. Because the Blue Eddy got all those outlets, so I wanted all those outlets for that. That's gonna be 15 amps going there, and then I got another 15 amps going to this plug. That way I can push out 3,000 because this thing push out 6,000 watts. With 15 amps, I think the limit is like 1,800. So I could add a third one later, but for right now I'm just gonna use these two just to see how that works. All right. Okay, now it's in effect. As y'all see, it's midday. It's about 1 p.m. Getting 1.6 coming in. 100 watts. I ain't got nothing on right now, so but I did hook up my washer and dryer to it. As y'all see this cord, I gotta clean all this up. I know some people like, yeah, right, I've been saying that for years. All that's going down to this 15 amp outlet here. This one is the washer and dryer. This is all my internet equipment. I can show y'all that, all that stuff, and then my TV and everything. My Blue Eddy is powering up the garage, the outside circuits now. So that's doing that one. This thing is pulling in so much. It's powering up this 16 kilowatt battery. So all that Blue Eddy, all that was about 11 kilowatts. This is 16 by itself. Much smaller, much tighter space, as y'all see. Once I get these cores cleaned up, much cleaner space. And the cool thing is, it's all running. And this is plugged up. So my Blue Eddy, it charged like time charges. This one it'll automatically hook up to the grid if my battery get too low, so I don't have any of that anxiety dealing with the batteries. And then I got separate circuits because this is 40 amps coming out of here, so I got separate circuits that can run different things, so that's going to be cool. All right, I'm very happy with this. Like I said, it's a very good deal. But the good thing, everything else in the world is going up, more and more expensive, but batteries are getting cheaper, and things is getting much easier. All right, God bless.